Welcome back. The go-karting scene in Goa may have dipped to an all-time low, but there are some very enthusiastic youngsters looking to keep go-karting alive in the state. Students of Padre Conceissao College of Engineering won a national-level inter-college go-karting championship recently to make Goa proud. Watch this report.
Students of Verna-based Padre Conceissao College of Engineering under the banner of Team Pacers Racing have excelled at the national go-kart competition recently in Coimbatore. The competition involved designing, fabricating and racing the go-kart, and the Goan team came out on top in a strong field comprising 130 colleges.
We finished first out of 130 well-renowned engineering colleges all over India. We also won Best Innovation, Fastest Skid Pad and Autocross.
The main innovations on our kart are electronic gear shifting, in which you can press a button to change the gear. We got brake biasing and we got 4-wheel brake. Using a 125cc petrol 4-stroke engine that gives a mileage of around 39 kilometers per liter and a top speed of over 100 kilometers per hour.
The dynamic events were held on the second and the third day. The first dynamic event was the brake test, which each and every team had to pass to advance. Then we went forward with the skid pad and autocross test, which we excelled.
According to Anand Shirodkar of Team Pacers, the go-kart has cost them around 1.25 lakh rupees. The Pacers have plans to participate in the international event to be held in March. Tattaraj Naik for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.